Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering essentials: your account number, the registered mobile, and the exact service address. This saves time when you call. Once done, check your billing cycle date and any pending dues in rupees so there are no surprises. Make sure to have the customer ID, plan name, and last payment receipt at hand. These 3 items speed verification. Now you're ready to contact Airtel support via phone or the app to initiate cancellation. Don't pause. Initiate immediately. You call 12,144 or open the Airtel Thanks app and choose broadband support. That action triggers the official cancellation workflow. Tell the agent you want to cancel, provide the details you prepared, and insist on a cancellation reference number. Write it down along with the executive's name. Once they confirm, ask specifically about equipment pickup, the final bill amount in rupees, and the expected timeline for service termination. If they quote charges, ask for line item. You complete the process by returning any rented equipment, router, or ONT on the scheduled pickup day, and make sure you receive a printed handover receipt. That proves you complied. After that, verify the final bill carefully and dispute any discrepancies within 7 days using your cancellation reference. Finally, follow up once more with the reference number until the account status shows closed. If closure delays, escalate to a supervisor and file a formal complaint with the proof.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.